The new NVR security system provides more flexibility and reliability compared to traditional DVR technologies. This is a great option if you decide to improve the outdated CCTV Analog security system or are looking for a video surveillance system that meets all modern requirements and can be relevant in the future. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hiseeu WNKIT-4HB612. This NVR camera system works great at night and provides you with a crisp image. Besides, the installation of cameras is very simple and quick. The playback option doesn't pose any difficulties either. The calendar function with the day and hour marked below will help you navigate easily. Night vision cameras also showed excellent performance. Overall, this IP NVR security system offers even more than you expect and is worth every cent spent on it. Number 2. ZOSI 8CH 1080p HD resolution cameras have the automatic IR cut filter that allows you to get clear and sharp pictures regardless of the daytime. The night vision is available at 65 feet distance. You can use this NVR security system with both wired and wireless connections. Using an Ethernet cable, you connect cameras to the router and then to the NVR. Super long continuous recording and backup by USB are available. Moreover, you can transfer recordings to an external hard drive or memory cards via USB or set up automatic overwriting of old files. Number 3. Reolink RLK8-800B4. This NVR camera package supports video recording in 4K HD. Also, thanks to a POS system, you do not need to use extensive network cables. You can conduct round-the-clock video recording since the system has 2 TB of memory on your hard drive and you can use 2 TB with an external drive. The system consists of 8 cameras that can work simultaneously. As a result, almost the entire perimeter inside and outside your house can be monitored. The manufacturer gives a 2-year warranty and you can get the money back during a 30-day period. Reolink guarantees NVR system replacement for 2 years and lifetime technical support.